What's up YouTube? I'm Jimmy. This is Fare from Scratch, and today we're going to be making bacon jam toast with chilled mango salsa. Now before we get going here, please hit that subscribe button. It really helps us out. Thanks. For our bacon jam, we're going to need a pound of bacon, some brown sugar, apple cider vinegar, maple syrup, a shallot and garlic. We're also going to need a cup of coffee. For our chilled mango salsa, we're just going to use a mango and tomato, and then of course we need some bread to make our toast. So our first step is to cut our bacon into about inch squares and get a slight brown on it. So I was thinking about starting a cooking stream called Bacon 24/7, and essentially this would be the only shot. Let me know in the comments if you think that's a good idea. Anyway, when our bacon starts to get a nice brown to it, we're going to take it out of the pan. We're going to cook this later, so don't worry if it looks a little bit undercooked. Now when you take the bacon out of the pan, make sure to leave some of the grease because that's what we're going to kind of fry our garlic and shallot in. So I minced this garlic and shallot really fine and added it to that bacon grease, and I'm just going to wait for it to get a little bit cooked and translucent. Now once that's cooked, we're going to add our apple cider vinegar, our maple syrup, our brown sugar, and our coffee. We're just going to mix all of that together and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. After it's been simmering for about 5 minutes, we're going to add our bacon back in and then simmer that for about 30 minutes. So this has been simmering. I'm going to add this bacon back in and let this start to reduce. While this is starting to reduce, I'm going to get my mango salsa ready. So if you've never cut a mango before, this is how you're going to do it. Once you cut that little checker pattern, you can kind of fold it inside out and cut these nice diced mango bits. So I cut up some tomato and mixed it with this mango and a little bit of cilantro, and this is going to be our topping for our toast. Once this is all mixed, we're going to want to throw it in the freezer and we can go check on our bacon again. So our bacon's looking pretty good, and what we're looking for here is really for all of that liquid to kind of evaporate and turn into more of a syrup. Once we see that, then we'll take it off the stove. It should take about 35 minutes. Now this is the consistency we're going for. I'm going to take it off the stove and add it to the food processor. Now I pulse this quickly in the food processor, and this is the result we get. It's this nice jammy bacon substance that's absolutely delicious. Now we're going to add this mixture to our little pieces of toast here and then top with the salsa. Now the reason we chilled our salsa is because I kind of wanted some dueling flavors here of kind of the rich and hot bacon and then the chilled and refreshing salsa. Now anything with bacon is always delicious, but this is a really fun appetizer to make. I suggest you try it. Now if you enjoyed this video and want to see others like it, please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps us out. Thank you and have a great day.